bonnet head. Don't get him in the boat.
I know. Oh, that's my first ever shark I've caught. That's what hit me. That's what huge hit me. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, guys.
Come on, keep him over there. You better not get him close to it. I'm gonna get him.
Oh my goodness. Kai, look, I caught a shark.
That shark can jump up and bite your fingers off.
Yeah, that shark. Ah, no, you stay away. Oh my goodness, guys.
That boy peeled some drag. Here you go. Put this over there. Give me the fishing net.
I kind of can't.
Let's give me the fishing net.
Wait, can I net him?
Yeah. You ready?
Yeah, look at him. So I keep him. Whoa! Whoa, I caught a shark! Look at that, Kai. I just caught a shark. Oh. Ooh, I hooked it bad. Come on, need to take that. Woo, baby! Oh my God, my heart is racing right now.
Hold this.
Oh my goodness, guys, my heart is racing. Guys, my heart is racing right now. Sorry about the footage, but I caught something
Kai,
big.
get away from there. He'll bite your fingers off. You want to lose your fingers?
No. Yeah, Kai, let's be your last fishing trip with 10 fingers. Oh my goodness. I would have never thought I would catch a shark on a kayak fishing trip. Guys, look at him. Look at that bonnet head. Man, I never thought I would do that. Never in my once. Whew. Oh, my heart is racing. Wait, Dad, can I hold him? Or like hold him with that? Oh no, the net, no, the net. I got it. Now, do you think I can like yeah, you grab him with that, and then do you think I can like take a picture? Ah, ooh. Oh, did he get out the net? I was like, what just happened? Yeah, well, he peeled drag. I'm shaking right now. Look at him, or whatever. Look at that boy, that chunker. Oh my goodness. Can you take a picture and send it to my mom that I caught a shark on a fishing trip?
Hayden, my hands are a little busy, buddy.
Yeah, whenever you're done. Got the net. I got the net. Hold on, guys. Give me a second. Ah! Ah! Oh. Dad, can you grab the net? Here, can you grab my rod, please? I'm keeping my water taken down. Look at this, guys. Baby bonnet head. Can you take a picture, Dad?
Yeah, buddy, my hands are wet and full. Oh, we'll just take it from the GoPro. Oh no.
Oh.
Did he swim off?
No, he's dead. That's just life. That's the circle of life. It's just sad. Yeah, it's the circle of life. His body will go to the heavens. Here, Kai, you need another scrimp? Thanks. It's just It's just a circle of life, guys. Oh wait, that. No. Don't be caught in the net. I mean, he's saying he might have just been unconscious. Cause he did sink, he didn't float. Cause don't like dead sea animals float? Yeah, they float.
Yeah, the shrimp.
Man, never. That's so cool. Sorry, I got that. Hey, now I can flex now. Now I can flex on you, Dad, saying I caught a shark. Dad, have you caught a shark? Dad, have you caught a shark?
Yeah.
You have?
I've caught fish. Let me have my rod.
Oh. Sorry.
You?
Here you go. Man, see, that's what I told you. It was hitting me.
Yeah, he's pretty good.
Yeah, he peeled my line like a banana. Got one? No, I got one. You got one? No, almost. Sorry about that. Yeah, I'm posting this video today, so just gotta do some editing.
Get there.
And then that's just really it. Yeah, I would have caught that, I'm sure. Would have. Man, that's really cool. Now I'm not gonna put my foot back in the water because I had my foot in the water for a good amount of time. I don't want this one to be my last fishing trip with 10 toes. Never. Yeah, sorry about the clip footage. I turned the GoPro on and I dropped the GoPro. Yeah, if y'all can do me a favor and subscribe. That'd be the best thing ever. So I've caught the biggest fish today. Just sad, Dad.
Put that over there. I'm about to move.
We're moving?
Yeah, come.
Alright guys, we're moving. Oh Dad, can you put my rod up there? Dad, can you put my rod up there? Or just put your rod up there?
Yeah, here you go. Put the rod up there.
Here. Daddy. So I caught the
Slide that over.
So I caught the biggest fish today, guys.